Alright guys, so in this video we're just gonna do a Okay, cool. Alright, stop pointing at me. In this video we're just gonna do a quick first person shooter style Nerf battle. And alright, so you ready? 5, 3, 2, 1.
Do you see him? Cause that's
Killing people. Oh, I missed. Dang it. Talking.
me, and I'm running. That's
trying to slaughter Nolan. This would be like the worst image ever.
I don't think.
Slaughter time. He has like 2 of my bullets.
I have 1. You only shot 1 time.
No. Don't do that.
Don't kill me. I've spent you.
This is not cool.
It just turned off.
I know. It's still recording though.
It's lame.
Saver.
Another screensaver. You're the screensaver. Dude, you're gonna lose all of those.
I know. I have like
2 trillion. You only have 6 bullets.
Oh, I killed him. Oh, he killed me. No, you're dead.
Okay, let's get our bullets.
Collecting bullet time.
Yay!
3, 2, 1, begin. Okay, squealer. We never.
I know. With no boundaries.
He hit me in the foot.
Yeah.
You killed me. That's not cool in the first shot.
That was my first shot. Who? Ha!
3, 2, 1, go. Third and final round. I really want to win this challenge. Probably should make sure I'm cocked first.
In this. Oh yeah! Look at that
I'll
bull!
have to do like that.
That's what you do!
This is gonna be a cool kill if I just kill him on that shot. That was so pathetic.
Look at that bull.
Okay, seriously.
He's walking closer. I gotta hide.
Oh, come on, you got cover.
Got the same cover that I got last time, and he's going around.
I'm going around.
He's blue.
Oh, he's hiding inside of a dog igloo.
It's a doggy glue. And it's summer, so there's igloos.
Oh, I missed him by a meter.
It's Justin Bieber.
It's not beaver, genius.
Justin Bieber?
Bieber.
Bieber? It is scary.
It is not, totally. Oh, how many bullets do I have left? 2 shots? I have 2 shots left.
How many have you already shot? Like,
Darn it, down to the last bullet, people.
well then you need a bulletto. You need a bulletto.
Could probably shoot me in the legs. Ooh. I'm wearing flip-flops just because.
Yes, you are, and I am too. Look.
I'm gonna get shot in the face next time I come out, probably.
You're not getting a shot in the face.
Or at least my camera's gonna get shot.
Oh yeah.
Oops, hit the camera.
I'm ready to kill.
Ah, 1 more bullet. He thought I actually was down to 1 bullet, guys. Oh wait, I am actually out of bullets. Run! Kill me. Oh, winner! Ow, okay.
I'm the winner, and there's a cat.
What? There's a cat? Oh, there is a cat. Interesting.
It's a bobcat.
It's not a bobcat.